Hey folks, Mark here from Mark's Old Scale Trains. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on a Rockwell portable tabletop saw for the layout. Why am I bringing it in for the layout? Well, I'll explain here next. So for the longest time, I've been meaning to bring in a small tabletop saw that would help with some of the hobbies that I had, and especially with the layout and the hobby of model trains. This particular saw can be used for a wide variety of projects around your house, but it's nice and small, and it's actually like an inverted jigsaw with the blades that it uses, but in a tabletop configuration, which is going to be a big help for the layout when I'm constructing the new layout, when I'm working on structures, or when I'm working on anything for the layout. This is going to come in handy. So right at this point, I haven't used this yet. I haven't even unboxed it, but I think that this is going to be just what I'm looking for in a small size that I can carry with me, move around easily. I've got some great normal size woodworking equipment upstairs in the garage and in the shop, but to have something this size is really something I've been looking forward to, and hopefully this is going to really help improve some of the stuff on the layout that I don't need to take back outside, or I don't need a larger saw or utilize a larger saw for. I'm even thinking on here maybe I could even cut track if I needed to. You know, there's some fine blades for metal, and that might actually work out pretty well for that job, that task. But primarily it's going to be used for cutting plastic, cutting plywood, cutting balsa wood and hardwoods, and I think this is going to actually come in quite handy. But I'll unbox it, take it apart, put it together, and show you exactly what this thing's all about. So here it is unboxed. Took about 5 minutes to take this thing out of the box and put it together. It's really simple, appears to be really well built as well, but really straightforward to put everything on, from the fence and your guides, and putting the blade in is an absolute breeze. If you're looking for a review on this, you can take a look on YouTube. There's a review on this one here, which is the Rockwell. They have another one by Works. They're actually identical machines. But if you're looking for a review and some specs on it, peruse YouTube, and there'll be plenty of reviews on that. Pretty simple configuration here with the blade. Like I said, this is kind of a reverse jigsaw with the jigsaw blades. I've got some extra blades that it did come with here, from wood and metal to ceramic tile, but it also came with a Bosch set of blades as well, and that's a mix of metal and wood, and for high speed or clean cuts. But that's it. I'm going to plug it in, and I'll give it a go, and we'll see what we do with it and see what I think. All right, so we'll just give it a whirl. I just have regular wood blade in here. I've got a piece of pine that I'll just run through, so nothing fancy, nothing special. We'll just see how she does. I'll plug in the central vac system here and give it a cut. Alright, so pretty easy. I'm not even sure if you guys heard that because I didn't have the microphone on my shirt here, but hopefully you saw it anyway. And pretty simple cut. Looks like it cut pretty clean. And really easy to use. I got a feeling this is going to really be a big hit for the layout, and like I had mentioned about cutting plastics, and who knows, maybe I can cut track on it. I'm going to actually give that a shot and see if I can do that with a piece of track. But yeah, that's it, guys. I just figured I'd share this with you. If you're looking for a table saw to bring in for your layout, for your hobbies, this might be a perfect addition for it. There's a lot of them out there. I settled on this one. I know the Rockwell name. It's a pretty decent name, although I believe these are all made in the same spot anyway. But I figured I'd try this one out. It was, I think it was $130 Amazon, and worked out pretty good for me at this point. But I'll get some use out of it, and maybe if there's interest, I'll end up posting another video on what I think. But so far, so good. Pretty simple stuff to use. If you're looking for a review, check it out on YouTube. I know there's several. And other than that, great, perfect. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.